Hi, I'm Tamoya Bigfoot,
And I'm Davina Scott.
and we'll be at TestBash UK this year speaking on our topic, perspectives from a QA mentor and mentee, how mentorship can help your testing career.
When I started as a QA, Tamoya was actually my mentor. And I can say without a doubt that she has definitely helped shape my career to date.
But mentorship isn't a one-way street. Many believe that only the mentee benefits, but in reality, the mentor also experiences personal growth and development. So that's why in our sessions, we'll be sharing first-hand accounts of how mentorship has helped to shape our professions, both as the mentor
And as a agent. So join us to see what proper mentorship looks like as a professional, much like yourself, and gain access to a checklist that you can implement in your mentorship programs as a guide.
We are looking forward to seeing you at TestBash UK this year.
To be a part of this experience, see the details coming up.